Hello children, hope you are all fine beta. Now today beta we are going to start with the last exercise which we are going to do 13.3 of this chapter, inverse direct and inverse variation, which deals with time and work. Now what is the fundamental principle which we will be using in this exercise? The fundamental principle is that suppose a person A can finish a work in X days, then the amount of the work that the person does in one day, that is equal to 1 by x. What it means, that suppose we have work done by a person is completing the work in 5 days, that means we have divided the work into 5 parts, out of which the person is doing one part out of 5 parts in one day. But based on this principle, we will be solving this exercise. And secondly, you also know that if one person is completing a work in some particular time, and if two persons work together, then definitely the time taken to finish that work is always less. So let me start with the first sum. First sum says A can do a piece of work in 15 hours while B can do it in 12 hours. How long will both take to do it working together? Now, how will you start? First, you will say time taken by A to finish the work. So what is the time taken by A to finish the work? That is equal to 15 hours. So therefore, work done by A in 1 hour. As I told you, if it is completing the work in X days, it will be 1 by X. So here it will be 1 by 15. 1 by 15th of the work is done by A in 1 hour. Similarly, time taken by B to finish the work, is 12 hours. So therefore, the work done by B in 1 hour, that will be equal to 1 by 12. Clear beta? Now, what are they doing now? A and B are together doing the work. So A and B's 1 hour work. If they work together, then A and B's, or we can say A plus B's 1 hour work. So what you will do? You will add the 1 hour work of A with the 1 hour work of B. Now you will take the LCM. The LCM of this is equal to 60. 15 4s are 60. 12 5s are 60. So this becomes 9 over 60. Now on the table of 3 3s is a 9. 3 20s are 60. Now what is this? This is A plus B's 1 hour work. But what we want to find? We want to find in what time it will finish the work. So A and B will together finish the work. In what they will do? You will take the reciprocal of this. 3 by 20 is reciprocal is 20 by 3. That is equal to, you can take the mixed fraction here. 3 6 are 18 and 2 6 2 by 3 hours. So this is the time if A work completes alone in 15 hours and B alone completes in 12 hours. Now if they work together, they can together finish the work in 6 hours and 6 2 by 3 hours. Is it clear beta? Same in the way, second question, A alone can finish the work in 12 days, B alone can finish it in 15 days. So you can just change A, in place of hours you will take days. So it will be 1 by 12 and B's one day work will be 1 by 15, and we'll get the same calculation. Raju and Sanju working together. Now see the third question. In the third question he says that if Raju and Sanju work together, they finish the work, they overhaul a scooter in 6 hours, and Raju can alone do the job in 15 hours. So how much hours Sanju alone can do it? So Raju and Sanju, question number 3, Raju and Sanju together finish the work in how much time? In 6 hours. So Raju and Sanju's 1 hour work, Raju and Sanju's 1 hour work, what will it be? It will be the reciprocal of 6, which is equal to 1 by 6. So Raju alone can do in, Raju alone, akela, can do in how much time? 15 hours. So Raju's 1 hour work, that is equal to 1 by 15. Now what is 1 by 6? 1 by 6 is Raju and Sanju together, and here you have only Raju working. So now what you want to find? You want to find Sanju's work, 1 hour work. So how you will find Sanju's 1 hour work? 1 by 6, which is Raju and Sanju's 1 hour work, minus 1 by 15, which is only Raju's 1 hour work. Now you take the LCM of this. When you take the LCM of 15 and 6, what you will get? Just see here on the table of 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, and 2 into 3, 6 5s are 30. So 6 5s are 30, 15 2s are 30. What do you get? 3 by 30. The cutting of this gives 1 by 10. So this is Sanju's 1 hour work. So in what time will Sanju finish the work? Sanju alone finish the work in how much time? The reciprocal of 1 by 10, that is equal to 10 hours. Hope this is clear to you, beta. The next also you can do the same. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B alone can finish it in 30 days. In how many days A can finish it? Now coming to question number 5. In question number 5, beta, you see that what is given to you? You are given 3 persons now. Which are the 3 persons? A, B, C. A can do the piece of work in 8 days, B in 12 days, and C in 15 days. So A finish the work in, A can finish the work in how much time? 8 days. So what is A's 1 day work? A's 1 day work, that is equal to beta 1 by 8. B can finish in the same work. B can do it in 12 days. So B's 1 day work, that will be the reciprocal of 12, which is 1 by 12. Now we have the third person C. So C can finish in. C finishes the same work in 15 days. So C's 1 day work, that will be equal to 1 by 15. Now you have A's 1 day work, you have B's 1 day work, and you have C's 1 day work. Now what is happening? How long will they take if they all work together? So A plus B plus C all together 1 day work, that is equal to 1 by 8 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. So first of all, beta, as you know, you will be taking the LCM of 8, 15 and 12. So let us take the LCM of 8, 12 and 15. On the table of 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 6 are 12. Again on the table of 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again on the table of 2, 1, 3, 15, 3, 1, 1, 5, 5, 1, 1, 1. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 multiplied by 5 which is equal to 120. Now 8 15s are 120, 12 10s are 120, 15 8s are 120. So 15 plus 8, 10, 25. 25 plus 8, that is equal to 33 over 120. On the table of 3, 3 11s are 33. 11 by 40. So A plus B plus C together finish the work in, if they all work together, they finish work in 40 by 3, which is equal to 11. 11 3s are 33 and 7, 3 7 by 11 days. So if they all work together, they can finish the work in this much time. Similarly, beta, sixth question. A, B, C working together can do the work in 8 hours. Now what is happening here? If A, B, C are working together, then they can do the work in 8 hours. So A plus B plus C is 1 hour work. First of all, question number 6. A, B and C working together can do a piece of work in 8 hours. So A plus B plus C finish work in 8 hours. Next क्या कह रहे हैं? If all of them finish the work in 8 hours, so A plus B plus C is 1 hour work. That will be equal to 1 by 8. Next, A alone can do it in 20 hours. So A finishes the work in 20 hours. So A's 1 hour work, that will be the reciprocal, which is equal to 1 by 20. B alone can finish it in 24 hours. So B finish the work in 24 hours. So B's 1 hour work, that is equal to 1 by 24. What we want to find in this question, beta? We want to find in how many hours will C alone do the same work. Now you have A plus B C is A plus B plus C is 1 hour work. You have A's 1 hour work. You have B's 1 hour work. So what do you think? What you can do to get the C's 1 hour work? To get C's 1 hour work, C's 1 hour work, that will be equal to A plus B plus C's 1 hour work minus A's 1 hour work minus B's 1 hour work. ठीक है? A plus B plus C's 1 hour work में से A's 1 hour work और B's 1 hour work को माइनस कर देंगे. So A plus B plus C's 1 hour work is equal to 1 by 8 minus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 24. So let us see what is the LCM. What is the LCM of this? When you take the LCM of this, you will get 208, 20 and 24. On the table of 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 20, 2 12s are 24. Again 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 5, 3. 3 1, 5 1. 5 1 1 1. So what do you get? 2 2s are 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 5s are 120. So on the table of 8, 8 15s are 120, 26 are 120, 24 5s are 120. So what do you get? 15 minus 11 over 120, which is equal to 4 by 120. On the table of 4, we do the cutting and get 1 by 30. So what is C can finish the work? C can finish the work in, what is the reciprocal of 1 by 30? It is 30. So C can finish the work in 30 hours. Same way beta, just see the 7th question. A plus B can do a piece of work in 12 days, B plus C in 15 days, and C plus A in 20 days. In how many days will they finish it together and separately? We want to find that in what time they will take if they work together also and if they work separately also. So first of all, what is given to us? Yes. First of all, in the 7th question, we are given A plus B. Finish the work in how much time? In 12 days. So A plus B is 1 day work. A plus B is 1 day work. That will be equal to 1 by 12. B plus C. Finish the work in 15 days. So B plus C is 1 day work. 1 day work. That will be equal to 1 by 15. C plus A. Finish the work in 20 days. So C plus A is 1 day work. That is equal to 1 by 20. So now just see beta. Here you are getting A plus B, here you are getting B plus C, and here you are getting C plus A. If you add all of them, A is coming twice, B is also coming twice, and C is also coming twice. So twice of A plus B plus C's 1 day work. That will be equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. Now you will take the LCM of this. When you will take the LCM of 12, 15 and 20, 12, 15, 20, 2 6 are 12, 2 10s are 20, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are 3, 5 1 1 1. So 2 2s are 4, 3s are 12 and 12 5s are 60. So 12 5s are 60, 15 4s are 60 and 20 3s are 60. So what do you get here? 5 plus 4, 9 plus 3. This is equal to 12 by 60. The cutting of this gives you 1 by 5. Now what are you getting? Twice of A plus B's. So A plus B plus C's 1 day work. That will be equal to 1 by 5. This 2 will shift on this side and it will become 1 by 10. So A plus B plus C's 1 day work is 1 by 10. So A plus B plus C together finish the work in 10 days. So beta first part of the question is given to you. हमने ये निकाल लिया कि वो together कितने टाइम में फिनिश करेंगे. Now what he wants you to find is that if they work separately, अगर वो अकेले अकेले काम करें तब वो कितने टाइम में काम करेंगे. सो देखो यहाँ पे क्या है, A प्लस बी प्लस सी इज 1 डे वर्क. यहाँ पे हमारे पास क्या है, A प्लस बी इज 1 डे वर्क. ठीक है, तो अगर हम A प्लस बी प्लस सी इज वन डे वर्क में से A प्लस बी के वन डे वर्क 1/12 को माइनस कर दें, A प्लस बी प्लस सी इज वन डे वर्क माइनस A प्लस बी इज वन डे वर्क, तो हमारे पास क्या रह जाएगा? दिस विल बी इक्वल टू C इज वन डे वर्क, ठीक है ना? ये हमारे C इज वन डे वर्क के इक्वल आ जाएगा। तो A प्लस बी प्लस सी इज वन डे वर्क हमारे पास 1/10 है। 1/12 में 10 में से हमने A प्लस बी इज वन डे वर्क जो हमारे पास 1/12 था वो माइनस करेंगे। तो जब हम माइनस करेंगे हमारे पास एलसीएम इसका क्या आ जाएगा? 60, 10 6 60, 12 5 60, ये बन गया 1 प्लस 1/60। सो C कैन फिनिश alone in 60 days। अब बेटा ऐसे ही अगर हमने B प्लस सी A प्लस बी प्लस सी में से B प्लस सी का माइनस कर देंगे तो किसका रह जाएगा? A प्लस बी का रह जाएगा। सो देयरफॉर A is one day work. A is one day work will be A plus B plus C's one day work minus B plus C's one day work. So what do you get here? Here we get A plus B plus C is one day work, which you have calculated 1/10 minus B plus C's, which is 1/15. The LCM of 15 and 10 will be 30. 10 3s are 30, 15 2s are 30. This will be 1/30. So A alone can finish alone in 30 days. ठीक है? अब हमारे पास थर्ड पार्ट आ गया। अब अगर हम A प्लस बी प्लस सी इज वन डे वर्क में से लास्ट वाला C प्लस A इज वन डे वर्क माइनस कर देंगे, A प्लस C इज वन डे वर्क माइनस कर देंगे, तो हमारे पास क्या बचेगा? सो हमारे पास B इज वन डे वर्क बन जाएगा। B इज वन डे वर्क, दैट विल बी A प्लस B प्लस C इज वन डे वर्क minus C plus A's one day work. Again 1/30 minus what was there? C plus A's one day work was 1/20. Now the LCM of this will be 20. 2 minus 1 which is equal to 1/20. So B alone can finish the work in B alone can finish the work in 20 days. हाँ जी बेटा. So here we are on the 8th question. A can do a person work in 14 days, which B can do in 21 days. So, what is the time taken by A to do a work? A can do work in 14 days. So, what is A's one day work? A's one day work is one day work is equal to 1/14. B can do in 21 days. So B is one day work. That is equal to 1/21. They began together and work for 7 days. So first of all, A plus B's one day work, that will be equal to 1/14 plus 1/21. So let us take the LCM of 14 and 21. the table of 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21. So 7 2s are 14, 14 3s are 42. So 14 3s are 42, 21 2s are 42. This is 5 upon 42. Now what is this beta? This is A plus B's one day work. So what is happening now? First of all, they work together and they work for how many days together? 7. So A plus B's 7-day work. 7 days work, that will be equal to 7 multiplied by 5 by 42. 7 6 are 42. This becomes 5 by 6. Now beta, this much of the work is done. It's completed. So what is the amount of the work left? Amount of the work left. Whenever you have to find the amount of the work we have left, you will subtract the work done from 1. Because we consider the work to be a 1 unit, and out of that 1, we subtract the finished work, which is 5 by 6. So LCM 6. 6 minus 5, which is equal to 1 by 6. Now this much of the amount is left, work is left beta. Now what is happening? A fell ill and B had to complete the work. So ये जो left work है, this left work has been finished by B. So we have to find in how many days the work was completed. So this is the work left, and who is going to complete it? This work is going to be completed by B. So B will finish. B will finish the left work. B will finish the left work in 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 21. So 1 by 6 is the work left and 1 by 21 is the work done by the B in 1 day. So this will be equal to 1 by 6 multiplied by 21 by 1. On the table of 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. It is 7 upon 2, which is equal to 3.5 days. So the left work will be finished by B. In how many days the work was completed? First of all, they worked for together. B finished the left work in 3.5 days. Okay, beta. Next. Again we have A, B and C can do a piece of work in 15, 12 and 30 days. They started together, all of them. Now A plus B plus C is 1 day work. They started together but C left after 2 days. So therefore what will happen? First of all, we will find A plus B plus C is 1 day work, and then we will multiply it with 2 and we'll get 2 days work. Now after that, who finished the completed work? A plus B. So we will find A plus B is 1 day work, and we will subtract the left work with A plus B is 1 day work. Next, question number 10. Pipes A and B can fill in 10 and 15 hours. This is the same as question number 1, 2. Okay, if both of them are opened, in what time they will finish? Again, cistern can be filled by one tap in 8 hours and by another in 4 hours. How long will it take by both open together? So again the same concept to be used here. A cistern can be filled by taps in 4 hours and emptied by an outlet in 6 hours. Now here comes a question where there is filling and there is emptying also. One pipe is filling and the other is emptying the tank. So what is happening? A cistern can be filled in. A cistern can be filled, ठीक है, by a tap in 4 hours. So it's 1 hour work. It's 1 hour work. That will be equal to 1 by 4. Now what is happening? An outlet pipe is emptying it. So an outlet pipe empties the tank empty the tank in 6 hours. So it's 1 hour work. Now what is the work? This work is the water is coming out. This work is the water is coming in. How long will it take to fill the cistern if both the tap and the pipe are open together? So to fill, work done by tap and pipe in 1 hour together. In 1 hour, that will be equal to 1 by 4. What is this? This is a positive thing doing. The water is coming in. And what is this? This is a negative thing happening. The water is coming out. So we will subtract 1 by 4 minus 6. 1 by 6. The LCM of this will be 12. 3 4s are 6 2s are 12. So 1 by 12. So if they work together, a tap and the pipe, then their 1 hour work is 1 by 12. So the tank will be filled in, the cistern will be filled in how much time? The reciprocal of this, which is equal to 12 hours. Same way in the 13th question. A cistern can be filled by 2 taps A and B in 12 hours and 16 hours. A full cistern can be emptied by a third tap in 8 hours. Now here what is happening? 2 are filling it and 1 is emptying it. So what is happening? Tap A fills the cistern. Tap A fills the cistern in how much time? 12 hours. So 1 hour work, A is 1 hour work. A is 1 hour work. That will be 1 by 12. Tap B fills the cistern. Tap B fills the cistern in how much time? In 16 hours. So B is 1 hour work. That will be equal to 1 by 16. Now what is C doing? C is emptying it. So C can empty in 8 hours. So C is 1 hour work. C is 1 hour work, will be 1 hour rate. Now here A and B are doing, they are filling. But what is C doing? C is emptying it. So if they are all work together, so the empty cistern, work done by A, B and C together. Work done by A, B together in 1 hour. That will be equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 16. Why they are added? Because they are filling the tank. Minus 1 by 8. Because what is this doing? It is emptying your tank. Pani bahar nikal raha hai. So this LCM, where you take the LCM of these numbers, 12, 16 and 8. 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2 1, 2 3 1 1, 3 1 1 1. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48. So 12 4s are 48, 16 3s are 48, 8 6 are 48. So 7 plus 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 minus 6 over 48, which is equal to 1 by 48. So therefore the empty cistern by will be filled. The empty cistern will be filled in how much time? 48 hours. क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है? 2 टैप्स फिल करी जा रहे हैं, एक उसको निकाली जा रहा है. सो एक टाइम आएगा जब अगर वो तीनों भी इकट्ठे काम कर रहे हैं तो इन 48 आवर्स एक बार वो टैंक जो है वो पूरी से फिल हो जाएगा. लास्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 बेटा. So what is happening? A can fill in 9 hours and due to leakage the cistern is just full in 10 hours. So A जो है पाइप उसको 9 hours में फिल कर रही है पर लीकेज की वजह से वो 10 hours में फिल हो रहा है. When the cistern is full, in how many time will it be emptied by the leakage? तो खाली कितने में करेगा? So therefore again A is 1 hour work. A can fill in 9 hours. So A is 1 hour work. That will be equal to 1 by 9. So B can empty in 10 hours. So B is 1 hour work. That will be equal to 1 by 10. So when it is full, in how much time will it be emptied by the leakage? So therefore A and B's 1 hour work, that will be 1 by 9 minus 1 by 10, LCM 90, 10 minus 9, 1 by 90. So therefore due to leakage, the tank will be emptied. The tank will be emptied in 90 hours. In 90 hours. Hope you are clear, beta.